Let's see how to put a section break in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word, and then let's go over to the Layout tab. So as you can see here, we have a particularly long document that we want to change or divide into sections. So for example, we want everything after this particular part, the second paragraph, to be divided into another section. So let's go over to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and then we can choose either a next page break or a continuous section break. So first, let's try next page. That will send all of the information on your document into the next page and divide it into a new section. So this new section, you can do a lot with. You can change its formatting, you can change its page number, since it's already a new section. But what if we click continuous break? As you can see, these two paragraphs are now a separate section from everything else. And there's also a lot we can do with this. For example, if you want to divide it into columns, for example, let's try 2. And as you can see, it has divided your document into different formatting while keeping it on the same page. That is all, and I hope you learned something about section breaks in Microsoft Word. See you soon!